Hey everybody, I'm Mike and this is Kinderhook Woodcraft. I feel like I should say something about where I've been for the past couple years, but hey, let's face it, you don't care. So let me show you how I made my sanding bow. This is a 1x2 from the big box store. It's just got two notches cut in it, 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. There's 8 and 1/8 inch between them, and the thing that makes it really effective is the sandpaper is reinforced with strapping tape. You'll be seeing this in the next project video I have coming up. It's a really good skill building project because it works even if the notches aren't perfect, so you don't have to be. This blank is 15 inches long. I want 12 inches for the bow and 3 inches for the keys. I'm marking it at 12 inches and then finding the center of the bow. I'll measure 4 1/16 off the center each way. Then I'll lay out the notches and score all my cuts. I scored the center line also for a relief cut I'll need later. I cut pretty deep when I'm doing this, about as deep as the teeth on the saw. It helps keep me straight and it makes it impossible to cut on the wrong side of the line. My gauge is set for 1/2 inch for both the notches and the keys. I'm making a few knife cuts here so I can just split this piece off. I have to plane it anyway, and if it splits badly I can try the other edge. Next I'll cut a shallow curve from one edge. Finally I'll cut about 1 inch off the ends. I'm not taping all the way to the ends here. The back of the tape is slippery and the sandpaper will hold better if it can grip the key some. Keep in mind the tape should at least come around the first corner of the key, otherwise it could tear off right there. About 3/4 of an inch or so is good. I want the handle to be at least 3/4 of an inch thick, so I'm using a scrap piece to show how much to leave in. A roll of tape will do for the ends. And for the long curve, I clamp scraps to the blank and use them to bend my ruler. This bow is meant for rough grit, as it's primarily a shaping tool, but you could certainly use it with finer grit sandpaper. I'll show you how in the next video when I'll be doing just that. Thanks for watching.